Open your minds, it's Sunschool time. To know thyself is to have great well. Open your heart, that's where change starts. To love thyself is to have great help. Welcome to Sunschool.
Children, are you ready to learn?
Okay, today we're going to practice drawing the letter B with our finger. And it's always helpful to start with our finger first before we start using a pencil, a crayon, or chalk. Okay, so let's go. So we see the numbers 1, 2, and 3 here, right? Well, that's the order in which we draw our lines. So the first step is to draw a line downwards like that. That's step number 1. Step 2 is to draw like a semicircle almost. That's step 2, like a hump. Step 2. And step 3, just like that, you draw another hump. So again, this is an uppercase B we're drawing. So we start down first, one line there, step 1, step 2, and step 3. Now let's go over to the lowercase b. And step 1 is a line downward, just like that. And step 2 is like a circle, just like that. Step 2. Again, step 1, line down. Step 2, like a circle. Great job. Okay, today we're going to use this dry erase board that I picked up from Dollar Tree to practice drawing our letters, and today's letter is letter B. So let's come on down over here, and as you can see, there's steps that you have to take when you're drawing an uppercase and a lowercase b. So step 1 is a line down, just like that. And then step 2 is one little hump like that. Step 3 is just drawing another hump just like that. And that is our uppercase B. Now for our lowercase b, we draw one line like this, down on the page like that, and then like a little circle just like that. That is a lowercase b, so there's 2 steps. So again, let's go this direction over here, and we draw, for the uppercase B, we're going to draw a line downward like that. And then we're going to draw one hump, that's step 2. Another hump, that's step 3. So there's 3 steps to drawing the uppercase B. And then for the lowercase b, there's only 2 steps. We draw the line and then the circle like that. So if you get really good at tracing the letter B with your finger first, the next step is just writing it. So how do you think that you're doing? Let's do that one last time. 3 steps. Step 1, line down. Step like a hump, just like that. That's step 2. Another hump, just like that. That's step 3 for the uppercase B. And then for the lowercase b, step 1, line down. Step 2, one hump like that. Great job, children. See you next time.